Here. I'll let you go right there. There you go. There you go. It's alright, you can hide in there. No one's gonna mess with you in there. Okay. Hey. No. Seriously? You wanna stay in there? You wanna stay in there, little girl? Good girl. Yep, stay in there. Okay. You just make yourself cozy right in there. Okay? Stay in there. It's just always me. I don't know. I don't know what it is about me, but they tend to find their way to me, I guess you should say. Anyways, alright.